Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic of presentation is Newton's third law. We can explain Newton's third law. To every action has an equal but opposite reaction. To every action there is always equal but opposite reaction, or you can define it: to every action there is an equal but opposite reaction. Mathematically we can write it as f of a B equals to minus f of BA. What are AB? These are two objects which are acting on each other. It is if AB represents the force A, it is basically reaction. The force A applied on B, object B, and it represents the force acted by B on A. Here the force acted by A on B and the force acted by B on A. Both are equal in magnitude, but they have opposite direction. Negative sign represent that they have opposite direction of acting. According to the above statement that every action will be accompanied by a reaction. Both the forces will always be equal in magnitude, but both will have different direction. Negative sign represent the different directions. Action and reaction can't neutralize each other because they are acting on two different objects, two different bodies. That's why they can't neutralize each other. Action on one object and reaction on the other object. One of the best example is a book lying on a table. It is one of the simple examples. A book is lying on a table. For example, here is a table, a book is lying on it. Now the weight of that book acting on table, acting on the surface of table, that is action. That is considered to be action. And as a reaction, table reacts a force on the book. That is considered to be reaction. So both have different directions, but both will have equal in magnitude. Both will be equal in magnitude. It is basically the weight of weight is basically force, which is considered to be action, which is acting on the on table, or you can say on the surface of table, and is a reaction. The table acts a normal force on it, on that book. That is considered to be reacting force. So both the forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. What is acting downward, and the second one is the reaction force acting upward. The second one topic is momentum. What is meant by momentum? Momentum is basically the quantity of motion of an object. कि कोई object की motion की magnitude कितनी है? It is basically the quantity of motion of an object. Or you can say mathematically we can define it as the product of mass and velocity is called momentum. Mathematically we can write it is P equals to momentum is represented by P equals to mv. Momentum is a vector physical quantity. Vector physical quantity and its direction is that which is the velocity man. वेलोसिटी की जो भी डायरेक्शन होती है वो मोमेंटम की भी डायरेक्शन होती है. इसकी यूनिट क्या है? किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकंड. इसकी यूनिट किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकंड है. Dear students, if you are facing any kind of difficulty in such two topics, your response will be highly appreciated. Thank you so much.